Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. The name of the lesson is The Old Kaki. It is a story adapted from the book बूढ़ी काकी, जो मुंशी प्रेमचंद द्वारा लिखी हुई कहानी है। उसी कहानी को यहाँ अंग्रेजी में प्रस्तुत किया गया है। प्यारे बच्चों, हम लोग आज नए पाठ को पढ़ेंगे, इसकी रीडिंग करेंगे पूरे टेक्स्ट की। इसके बाद कल जो है इस पर वर्ड मीनिंग बताएंगे, फिर आगे प्रश्नोत्तर होगा। चलिए हम लोग सीधे पाठ पर आते हैं। There was an old lady called Kaki. She crept because her hands and feet were very weak. Her husband had died long ago. She lived with her nephew Budhiram. She had transferred all her property to him. Rupa was Budhiram's wife. Budhiram had two sons and a daughter, Ladli. The boys never behaved properly with Kaki. They used to tease her a lot. Kaki would cry out, but no one listened to her. Ladli was the only one who had sympathy for Kaki. It was an evening. Shehnai was being played at Budhiram's doorstep. It was his elder son's engagement. Celebrations were going on. Puris were being fried in kadahi. The sweet smell of ghee and spices was in the air. Kaki was sitting in her room and it was dark inside. She could smell the crispy and sizzling puris. Images of puris floated before her eyes. She began to move slowly and crept close to the kadahi. When Rupa saw Kaki sitting close to the kadahi, she lost her temper and shook Kaki with both her hands and shouted abuses. Old Kaki did not speak a single word. She returned to her room. She felt insulted. The dinner was ready. All the guests had started eating. Kaki in her room thought not to go until she was called. The pleasant smell of food was tempting, but no one came to call her for dinner. Thinking she is not a guest, that she should wait for the call, she decided to go outside. She crept into the courtyard, but bad luck. One of the guests saw her and shouted, "Who is this old woman? Where has she come from? Be careful, she may touch someone." Pandit Budhiram became furious. She caught Kaki with his hands and dragged her into the room. Seeing this, Ladli felt really bad. She thought, what if Kaki had eaten before the guests? Would she have eaten all the puris? It was 11 in the night. Everyone was sleeping. Ladli had not eaten her puris yet. She put them in her doll's basket and went to Kaki's room and said, "Get up, Kaki. I have brought puris for you." Kaki asked, "Has your mother sent these?" Ladli replied, "No, it's my share." Kaki finished all the puris, but she was still hungry. Kaki said to Ladli, "Child, go to your mother and bring some more." Ladli replied, "If I wake her up, she will get angry." Kaki said, "Take me to the place where the guests ate. Ladli took her and made her sit among the pattals. Kaki began to eat the food which was left over by the guests. Just then Rupa woke up. She did not find Ladli beside her. She went out into the courtyard and saw Ladli standing near the pattals. Kaki was picking the leftover food and eating. Rupa was stunned. She felt sorry for Kaki, who remained hungry even on a day of feast, where so many people had food to their content. Kaki behaved like this just for some pieces of puris. She was in the state of shock. Her eyes were filled with tears. It was already midnight. Rupa went to Kaki's room with the food. With tearful eyes, she said, "Get up, Kaki. I committed a blunder today by not serving you food. Please forgive me." Hearing these words, Kaki's heart melted. She forgave her and began eating. Kaki blessed her soulfully. Adapted from the story बूढ़ी काकी बाई मुंशी प्रेमचंद। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लोग ये पूरे टेस्ट को हम लोगों ने पढ़ा। आप लोग भी 2 बार 3 बार इसको रिपीट करके पढ़िए और इसके बाद कल हम इसमें आए हुए कठिन शब्दों को, हार्ड वर्ड्स की मीनिंग बताएंगे। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।